Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back. I would like to start a new project today, but this is going to be more of an introductory kind of video because I'm on my way out the door and I just wanted to get a video up for you and let you know what's going on. This is My Porch Prints Grandma's Attic kit, and I'm following a tutorial by Wendy over at Wendy's Journal Adventure for a soft spine. I'm using a linen. You can see it's still purple. I glued it together with glue stick because I'm going to be sewing around this. She used cereal board and covered it and decorated it. But I just love these prints or these pages from My Porch Prints. And so I decided before, when I wanted to make the card, I don't know if you remember in the ring bound journal that I followed by Wendy, I just used 5x7 cards, blank cards that I had, and I glued them together and they became very sturdy. Well, I don't have any of those. And so I thought, why not just print out these pages and glue them together. So I printed them out on the 8x10 setting. I did not use fit to page, and they come out. I've cut the edges off and folded them in half. They come out to 5x8, which is perfect for this. So that's what I want to do here is I'm just going to glue these together. And like I said, this is going to be, come on glue, this is going to be a rather short video, and I'll tell you why. I got some new thread. That black thread was driving me crazy, just breaking all the time. So I've got some dark brown that I think will work nicely with the vintage, and so I want to sew around these because you sew it together to the soft spine. So I'm just gluing that together, and this is 65-pound cardstock. I wanted to make sure that my machine would take it since it is temperamental, and I'm still using the little machine. I did get the part for my embroidery machine slash sewing machine, but I haven't ventured into taking it apart yet to replace that part. And I wish I had tried it first before I went and paid $175 for someone not to fix it properly. But you live and learn. And anyway, I am using the little base brother, the little, no power cutting and no needle up, needle down button, so it's all manual, which is, it worked in high school. Anyway, but I need to be able to sew this spine on, so that's why I've done this, and I think it'll go through this with the fabric. So basically, I still need to wind my bobbins and get the thread in there and everything. So I wanted to show you how this goes together and some of the kit while this is drying a little bit. I have printed out the ephemera because I wanted to have lots of choices, and if I printed it all out, whatever I don't use, I mean, this is my color scheme, so whatever I don't use in this journal will happily end up in another journal. But I just love all of this really grungy vintage ephemera in here. I printed 2 envelopes on one page. They come larger, but I wanted 2 smaller ones, so I've done that. And then I've chosen 6 of these background pages that I'm going to use. This will be a 2 signature journal. I'm not sure how many pages it will actually end up being, but it will be 2 signatures. And I've got some coffee dyed paper here from Liana scrap. I've already started dividing this into 2 stacks. So I've got some ledger paper, some music paper, some graph paper, and then I'll have to add a few more things to that as well. But basically, what I want to do, I have This piece is about 1/4 of an inch taller, so it's, I think, 8 1/4, yeah, 8 1/4 inches by 2 1/2, and I've just torn the sides, and it's starting to fade. The purple is disappearing. But anyway, I'm going to center this, and I want to leave about a 1-inch spine. So this means I'm going to have about 3/4 of an inch overlap. So basically what I'm going to do, I folded these in half. One is going to be the front cover and one is going to be the back cover. I think I am going to use the open side. Well, I mean, it's glued shut, but you know what I mean. This is the closed, this is the fold. I'm going to use the fold as the outside of the cover, and I'm going to use the 2 edges as inside, like so. Now, so this is my front cover, right? So this will go, yeah, this will go on this side, like so, and I'm going to line it up there because I'm going to leave about a 1-inch spine. Come down just a tad, leave about 1/8 of an inch of that on there, and then I will do the same thing here. Attach that like so, and that will leave me a 1-inch spine. Now this is one of my little templates, but I need to make a new one because this one's almost 1.5 inches. But basically I'll make a new template. Yeah, I think a 1-inch spine is going to be plenty for that. So I'm going to glue this down and hope that it doesn't seep through too much. I'm just going to kind of wipe that down a little bit. Put this on here. Because I am going to be sewing through this, so I'm not worried about it gluing it down completely. I just want enough glue to, hold it where I want it. So let's do that on this side as well. And smudge it. And did I move that? Shoot. Let's get that back where it goes. Right there. I do the right side? Yeah, okay. And then what I'm going to do now is thread my machine and fill a bobbin or 2 or 3. I got some cream colored and I got some brown, like a chestnut color, which I think is going to be real pretty. And then I am going to sew around this, but basically that is going to be our cover, and this will be a soft spine cover. And then I'm going to use some pieces of the ephemera. I did this backwards, didn't I? It's going to go this way. This will be the cover here on this side, and I'll use some pieces of the ephemera, kind of layer it up. And this will be the inside. We'll put some pockets, and yeah, so I think that's going to be really cute, and it's sturdy enough. By the time I get the pocket and the tags, that'll be in there, and then it's going to be a nice soft spine journal. So I will get busy with that and start cutting down some papers, and we'll carry on next time. Thanks for watching.